Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, and today we are doing our 6-month preventative maintenance on a Statim G4 5000. The G4 and the Classic will have the same kit. We're going to start off with the cassette. First, I'm going to remove the cassette. I am putting the cassette on top of the unit, but I have a stat mat here, so I'm not going to scratch the paint. First, what I'm going to do is remove the top from the bottom. Next, using a small flathead screwdriver, I'm going to remove the old seal. This is a brand new seal, so I will be reinstalling it. To take the seal out, you want to get right on the back side of that seal in one of the corners and just kind of gently work it out. That seal should pull out nice and easy. And if you are changing your seal, discard that one. We want to inspect and make sure there is no rust or anything inside the cassette that could cause leaks. This one looks in really good condition. If you do have rust, you can use Scotch-Brite or Barkeeper's Friend or anything non-abrasive to clean out and clean that up. Next, what we're going to do is take our new seal with the provided lubricant, and you only want to pour about half the vial into the center of the tray. Next, what I'm going to do is take my new seal, and I'm going to dip a couple of fingers into that lubricant, and I'm just going to go all the way around the seal. On this seal, you will notice there are 2 holes. We're going to align that with the back of the cassette. I'm going to take this with the nubs facing up and just gently place this on the inside like so. Starting with one of the corners, I'm just going to pop those in so those nubs are touching on either side. We're going to do this on all 4 corners. Once you have all 4 corners in place with your nubs touching on either side, I'm going to press in on your short sides. And you can kind of do a sweeping motion on that. On your long sides, we're going to split the difference, go right in the middle, kind of press in right there in the middle, and then work your way. You will get bubbles. That is okay. The seal will slide into place. Once all those are done, I'm going to re-lubricate my finger with some of the oil that was left in the cassette. I'm going to separate the grooves in the cassette, and I'm going to go all the way around, pressing up. This will help seal and set that. When you've gone all the way around, we want to inspect the back. As we see, we are not completely lined up. We are too far off to one side. So I'm going to take my finger, put it back in that groove, and pressing in and pushing up, I'm actually going to slide the seal into place. These square blocks should fill those cavities. Went a little too far, and it will set. We want to inspect and make sure that all those nubs are in the corners. Last what I'm going to do is wipe out the cassette. You can use Stat Dry to help take some of the oil out of your cassette and make it dry a little faster. Putting the top back onto the bottom. I'm going to slide it in, and we're going to try the squish test. You should hear air whooshing out of the back. Next thing we're going to move on to is our compressor filter and our biofilter. These are located on the back of the unit. If you look, there's an arrow on your biofilter. There's an arrow on your biofilter. To remove this biofilter from the bracket, simply push down on that and it will pop out. These are just connected by tubes. Your new biofilter will have the same arrow, and if you look on your bracket, there's actually an arrow on the bracket as well. I'm going to take the new biofilter and slide it on both tubes, and I'm going to push up on the top and push in. that will hold that in place. Your compressor filter, this one is actually missing, is located right underneath of your biofilter. G4s will have a compressor filter, but not all 5000s do. This just simply screws into place. If you have any questions with your 6-month preventative maintenance on your Statim 5000, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free tech support. Thank you.